Good day, everyone. Imagine you are watching a flamenco dancer on stage, dressed in a flowing red gown, moving with rhythm, grace, and intensity. Every turn, her body sends waves through her dress, captivating the audience. Now imagine that same performance happening underwater. Today, my name is Tianna, and I will be presenting on Hexabranchus sanguineus, commonly known as the Spanish dancer, a marine organism that truly lives up to its name. The Spanish dancer belongs to the kingdom Animalia, phylum Mollusca, and class Gastropoda. More specifically, it is a part of the subclass Heterobranchia and the order Nudibranchia. With this group, it belongs to the family Hexabranchidae, genus Hexabranchus, and species Hexabranchus sanguineus. As a nudibranch, it is a soft-bodied marine organism that, unlike many mollusks, lacks a shell. As an adult, it has essentially stepped onto the stage without armor, relying instead on adaptation and performance to survive. Let's dive into the literature review. Scientific studies show that the Spanish dancer is widely distributed across Indo-Pacific coral reef systems, where it plays the role of a bathic predator feeding mainly on sponges. Gosler, 2018. According to Rupert and colleagues, 2004, nudibranchs are highly specialized because they have evolved to lose their shells. Instead of physical protection, they rely on chemical defenses, often derived from the organisms they consume. Research by Klussman Kolb, 2005, highlights key adaptations such as exposed gills and rhinophores, which enhance respiration and environmental sensing. Additionally, studies emphasizes that the Spanish dancer's famous swimming behavior is not for everyday movement, but rather a defense mechanism when threatened. Overall, the literature shows that this organism is not only beautiful, but it's highly adaptive for survival. Characteristics. The Spanish dancer is known for its bright red or orange coloration and can grow up to 40 centimeters long, making it one of the largest nudibranchs. Its most distinctive feature is its frilly mantle, which uses for swimming. When it moves, the mantle undulates in waves, just like a flamenco dancer's dress swirling around the stage. It also has rhinophores, which act as sensory organs, exposed gills, known as branchial plumes, used for respiration. Unlike all the nudibranchs, it lacks a shell, an evolutionary trade-off that has led to other unique survival strategies. Habitat. The Spanish dancer is typically found in tropical marine environments, especially coral reefs. It is nocturnal, meaning it's most active at night. During the day, it hides under rocks or coral structures, almost like a dancer waiting behind the curtain before a performance. This behavior helps protect it from predators and harsh environmental conditions. Life cycle and behavior. The Spanish dancer is a hermaphrodite, meaning each individual has both male and female reproductive organs. However, reproduction still requires a partner. Like a perfectly synchronized dance duet, two individuals come together to exchange sperm. After mating, they lay spiral-shaped egg ribbons, which are often brightly colored and resemble delicate choreographed patterns. Their life cycle includes a planktonic larval stage called a villager, which allows them to disperse before settling and developing into adults. When threatened, the Spanish dancer performs its most iconic behavior. It swims. By undulating its mantle, it creates graceful wave-like movements that allow it to escape predators. Ecological role. Ecologically, the Spanish dancer plays an important role as a predator of sponges, helping regulate sponge populations in coral reef ecosystem. Its bright coloration acts as a warning signal, indicating that it contains toxic chemicals. This affects predator behavior and contributes to the balance of the marine food webs. Interesting facts. It can release bioluminescent secretions. It produces toxic chemicals for defense. It is one of the largest nudibranchs in the world and it is named after the Spanish flamenco dancers because of its movement. In conclusion, the Spanish dancer is a powerful example of invertebrate diversity and adaptation. From its loss of a shell to its use of chemical defenses, from its sensory structures to its dramatic swimming behavior, the Spanish dancer demonstrates how organisms can evolve in extraordinary ways to survive. Like a flamenco dancer, it uses movement, color, and presence to navigate its environment, turning even moments of danger into performance. Ultimately, its role in coral reef ecosystems reminds us of the importance of protecting marine biodiversity. Because beneath the surface of the ocean, there are always performances happening every day, even if we don't always see them. Here are the references, and thank you so much for listening.